Hey, what's up YouTube? So this is TechSav here, and today we're gonna unbox the latest OnePlus 5T Star Wars edition. Let's go. So here we go guys. This is the OnePlus 5T special edition box, and this comes with this plastic covering which we're gonna peel off and get right into it. So this was bought from Amazon.in for around $38,999, and as this is a limited edition phone, you can buy only one of these from the website. And if you want to check the phone out, I'll just drop the link in the description below. So the box is pretty huge, and it has a matte finish to it, and it feels pretty nice. The unboxing experience will be good, I hope. And the box has OnePlus and Star Wars branding on the front. The fonts are quite nice and has a nice feel to it. The red color of the fonts, as you can see, just pops on the black base of the box. So the box is made of very high quality materials, and at the back you can find the general information about the box contents. So let's get into it. So here we go guys, the moment of truth, and look at that beast guys. This looks so good. The white color is so good. The dual cameras, the fingerprint sensor, the silver OnePlus logo, and the Star Wars logo. This is the thing guys. The back has a nice texture to it, and it feels so good in the hands guys. And at the front you can find the front camera, which is 16 megapixel, and the 6-inch bezel-less screen with an aspect ratio of 18:9. And on the left hand side you can find the red do not disturb switch and the volume rockers, and on the right hand side you can find the power button and the SIM tray. This has a dual camera setup. The primary lens is 20 megapixel and the secondary lens is 16 megapixel, and it has the fingerprint sensor on the back, and also it has the face unlock with the front 16 megapixel camera. The feel is quite nice. The build quality is really amazing. The phone feels really premium. And now let's check out the contents of the box. So here are the contents of the box. First we get the dash charger, and it's pretty heavy, and it comes in this beautiful white color with the OnePlus branding, and it's the fastest charger for a smartphone, and it charges your smartphone for a day in less than 15 minutes. So let's just keep that aside. And next we have the red power cable. This is an USB type A to type C power cable to charge up your phone and to connect it to a PC. Now comes the fun part. Look at this case in the box. This case is pretty nice, and this comes with this envelope inside it. So we're just gonna keep that aside and look at the case. So this is a pretty rugged case for your smartphone, and it's really very protective. It comes with this beautiful design which was inspired from the movie itself. This look was inspired from the helmet of the villain in the last movie, Star Wars: The Last Jedi, and this is the helmet I was talking about. So this is the helmet of Kylo Ren, the villain of The Last Jedi, and we're just gonna keep the case aside and we're gonna check out this envelope. So we all know what this envelope contains. So some general information about your smartphone. So first comes the instruction manual on how to set up your smartphone and use it, and then comes this information about your warranty, and these are just boring papers, but this one is interesting as this is a special edition phone. This comes with the OnePlus sticker and the Star Wars sticker. Yes, that is cool. So you can just stick them anywhere you want, on your accessories, on the wall, anywhere. So this envelope also comes with this SIM ejector tool, so just keep that aside. And there is a special Easter egg for you guys. So this is a card. So this contains some poem, and people just told me that OnePlus took every bit of their time to design this card, and they said that only a true Jedi can unravel the secret message behind this poem. So let me know down in the comment section, have you guys found out the secret message in this card? And I'll reveal the message in my next full review video. So this was the unboxing experience, guys. Now we are gonna check out the phone in the case, how the smartphone looks in this special limited edition case. So this is the phone and this is the case. So I think it's pretty amazing. The case has a nice grip. All the cutouts of the case is pretty well, and the buttons are really tactile, and it has a really nice shape, so you can grip the phone, and also has the headphone jack, unlike many other premium smartphones in the market. So this was the unboxing experience, guys. So now we are just gonna turn on the phone and look at that great bezel-less display, and look how the colors look on the screen. So this starts with the OnePlus logo, followed by a pretty good animation, and the colors are really nice. The display looks good. So this is the OnePlus 5T Star Wars edition, guys. This is a pretty good phone in a budget price, and I hope you like this unboxing experience of this special smartphone. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe for more tech videos like this. Love technology, be a tech sav. Goodbye, guys.